3. Look at the picture and read the questions. Listen and answer. Good morning.
Good morning, sir. I'm looking for my English teacher, Mr. Copler.
Mr. Copler?
Yes, C-O-P-P-L-E-R.
Why are you looking for Mr. Copler?
I'm a new student in this school.
Great. Which class are you in?
I'm in class 8.
What's your name?
My name's Sybil.
How do you spell it?
S-Y-B-I-L.
How old are you, Sybil?
I'm 10 today.
10 today?
Yes, today is my birthday. Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Oh, what a surprise!
Welcome to Willow Primary School.
Pardon?
Willow. W-I-L-L-O-W. Primary School. And these are your 18 new school friends.
How many?
18.
I'm so happy. And you are?
Yes, I'm Mr. Copler. Nice to meet you, Sybil.
Nice to meet you too.